Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. It's been a minute. I've just had an awakening. Quite literally. I've been in bed for the last few hours and suddenly I jumped out. So basically let's roll back. So for the most part or much of the last, 15 days or so, I've been pretty unwell to the point where I had to go hospital at some point to get checked out. But I'll talk more about that probably in another video. But right now, I'm feeling much better, alhamdulillah, praise be to God, but I'm not 100% there yet, and I probably look rough. I feel a bit rough still, and yeah, so right now I'm in a race against time. I've got 7 hours or so left in Makkah. This is my last 7 hours in Makkah. Subhanallah, glory be to God. But I need to do Umrah. This is why I just jumped out of bed. I'm thinking oh my God, this is my last 7 hours. I have to do it. Because I thought all this time I was in bed rolling around and I'm thinking, nah, can't do it. I wasn't thinking about it too much, but I just had some thoughts now and then, it is what it is, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do it. So although I really wanted to do Umrah once more before I leave here, and I just feel I need to shave my head just to feel as well for myself I'd done it, I'd done Umrah. But I was meant to do it 10 days ago. Yeah, about 10 days ago I was meant to do Umrah again, and shave my head at that point, but I wasn't able to. I was just down. But like I said, I'll go into that more in another video. Right now I've just jumped out of bed. I've got 7 hours left here. Oh my God, I haven't packed. I need to pack as well still. I still need to pack. To give some context, it's 12 a.m. right now, just coming up to 12 a.m. and we're leaving around 7 a.m. for Medina, inshallah, God willing. So yeah, I'm just sorry, my mind's a bit all over the place right now because I'm just thinking about everything. I just got out of bed. I need to freshen up, probably have a shower, pack, or do I pack after I come back? I need to go to Masjid Aisha, to the Miqat point outside of the boundary of the Haram to get into the state of Ihram. But also I'm thinking can I do it? I'm not 100% yet, and I'll probably have to wear a mask while I'm doing this one, honestly. Will I have the energy and I don't know, the willpower and whatever to do it, to complete the Umrah and do this whole going to the Miqat point, then to the Haram. There's a bit of a journey there, and with all the crowd at the moment as well. It's that time again to get into Ihram. Taxi! Assalamu alaikum. Masjid Aisha. I'll sit at the back because I'm not too well. I've got a little bit of a cough and...
I'm from
London.
From
Egypt. MashaAllah. Which Cairo or?
Cairo.
Cairo, nice. I went to Cairo. I stayed in Cairo for 1 month last year. It was nice. This Umrah is dedicated to my granddad. He died quite some time ago, but he has a very special place in my heart. He taught me so much when I was young. I'm talking in the later primary school years. The best thing he taught me was reading the Quran in Arabic and memorizing some of the chapters. This was a time when knowledge of the deen was scarce in the family and in the community in general, I think, and no one was really religious as such. As life went on in modern society and there wasn't much practice of the religion around me, I forgot most of the memorized chapters and just lived the life of Jahiliyyah, the state of ignorance. Anyway, over several years there was a journey of guidance and finding God and finding the purpose of life, perhaps a topic for another day. But having re-memorized all the chapters I forgot, the emotions came rushing to me that what he did was the best gift he could have given me. A gift that didn't cost a penny, yet a gift that is priceless. May Allah accept this Umrah from me and add it onto his scale of good deeds, and may Allah bless my grandmother who is still with us, and may Allah bless all the grandparents out there who show love and support to their grandchildren and teach them goodness. Arrived at Masjid Aisha to get into the state of Ihram. There it is. Back to the taxi to go to the Haram. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Streets are still buzzing at 3:16 a.m. Innal hamda wan ni'mata. I've got to tell you, I'm not feeling that great, to be honest. I'm probably like 60% there maybe. Nearly there. Okay, seems like I'm entering through a different gate this time for Umrah. Okay, so Tawaf done. Now it's time for the next component to the sa'i. Down that way. Right, so I've just come out of the sa'i, completing Umrah once again. Alhamdulillah, praise be to God. Right, so now it's time to go bold. I see a haircut shop over there, but it looks so packed. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to wait for that one. Let's go a bit closer and see. This one looks way too packed. If the queue's moving quickly, maybe it would be alright. Otherwise, I can maybe go to the one I've been to before. Entrance 1, entrance 2, entrance 3. How many entrances? 3 entrances. And then the exit. So there we have it, folks. Gone bold. So that's it. The time in Makkah comes to an end. Apart from the downtime from being unwell, it's been amazing. Sadness fills the heart to leave this place. May Allah give me the opportunity to come back again and again. May Allah give everyone the opportunity to go again and again. For those who have been and for those who haven't been yet, may Allah give you all the ability to go for Umrah and Hajj. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy and blessings of God be upon you.